A few nights ago, I walked into a death meditation. I witnessed what it would feel like to have my last breath, to say goodbye, to leave. A few years ago, I would have craved for that moment, to escape my reality, to no longer be here, to be present. As I came face to face with it, looking into the eyes of the person sitting in front of me, there was a pause, a moment of self-reflection, a moment of peace into the surrender of what I cannot control and what I can. I took a leap of faith, one for myself, one for my soul, and one for my heart. I let go of doubt, relished in what is here and what is now, connected with others on a deeper level than I have ever allowed myself to experience. Did I actually die? No. Did a part of me that I was holding on to for so long do? Yes. And now I flow into the creativity, allowing it to come to me without resistance, without pain, without tremble. I let it move through me and to me. And so now I'm asking you, where are you still holding on to fear? Where are you not allowing yourself to be seen, to be loved, to allow the creativity energy to flow through you and to you?